Bubble.io is one of the most well-known no-code platforms for building powerful apps without writing traditional code. Over the years, it has evolved into a go-to choice for founders, startups, and even larger businesses that want to launch web applications faster and at lower cost. What makes Bubble stand out is its drag-and-drop interface, where you can design your app visually while still building complex logic in the background. Unlike many no-code tools that are limited to simple projects, Bubble supports more advanced functionality such as custom workflows, database management, and API connections. This makes it possible to create everything from MVPs to full-scale consumer applications. In terms of performance, Bubble has also improved significantly, offering hosting, scaling, and integrations to handle projects that grow over time. And with recent AI integrations, Bubble now allows developers to bring intelligence into their apps, whether that's using AI-powered chatbots, recommendation systems, or advanced automation. Let's look at the pricing. Bubble has a free plan at $0 per month, ideal for learning and testing. Then there's the starter plan, which costs $32 per month, great for launching simple projects. The growth plan is $134 per month and is meant for more complex applications with higher usage. If you're working with a team, the team plan is $399 per month, providing more collaboration and scaling options. Finally, for enterprises with advanced security and hosting needs, Bubble offers a custom-priced enterprise plan. Overall, Bubble is flexible, scalable, and a strong contender in the no-code app builder market. If you're looking to build a serious AI-powered application without coding, Bubble remains one of the top platforms in 2025.